There's wickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 behind there. 8. Old fatty over here. Oh, eating fish frames for breakfast. Paris, you having fun? Hey? You having fun on the boat, going to the beach? Trusty old launch so far anyway. All the mussels on the pine tree. Look at the size of that. I've got a pretty big hand. And that oyster is huge. It's heaps. Just pulled up to this random bay on the dinghy. Gotta clean this water, as that's probably like 3-4 meters there. Unreal, but just backing up everywhere, having a jack, trying to find some seafood. Paris, what are you up to? Washing your hands on that. Old captain over here. Some alright size snapper. Heaps of oysters. Wickers everywhere. They just tried stealing our buns for dinner. There's our tent set up. Second night here. Shit everywhere, but oh well, it's all part of it. Here's the launch. The weapon. Kids. Paris having a bath. Look at that hot water caliphant. A whole heap of snapper. Oysters today. 25 centimeters is the limit here. 3 per person. 4 of us, so that's 12, but we didn't get our limit. We could have, but we don't need that many. Sun's going down. Another day out here on the launch. The Slayer. Oh no, that's Scorpion. Look how calm, flat this water is. There's water there, it doesn't even look like it. That is insane. Look. In case you don't believe me. Bit foggy though. Hopefully the sun comes through soon. Look at the visibility out here. It's probably about 2 meters. Know about the smoke off the motor though. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Get on. Oh, we're on. See that? Didn't even wind it and we had one on. The big one. It's pulling the boat this time. Pulling the launch. Here it comes. Yeah, fish, fish, fish. There it is. Look at that. Nice. Couple kawa with the scraps. Lure out back. Fog's starting to clear. Old fisherman Joe, look at him go. Oh, whoa, 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 don't snap it off. Just a kawa. Launch parked up. Yeesh. Fighting over an M&M. They're bloody nuts. Brack's on them big jobs, prepping the boat for a 60-kilometre journey today. Hopefully we get no breakdowns. Brax didn't wash the boat, as you can see. Was our campsite for a few days. Packed up, ready to go. Was our campsite for a few days over there. This is the oh, that's not even the sign. Hold up. Got the gate opener over there. Nice scenery everywhere. G'day, gate opener. And there's the name. Middle of nowhere. Packed up on the dinghy. Me and Brax got out a 50 or 60k ride we're going on the boat today. Hopefully we make it. We've only got about 1.5 tanks. I don't even know how much it uses, but yeah, we'll see. Bit of a bloody chop going down today. Me and Brax are driving 60k's on the boat. Gonna meet them way the fuck around that mountain in the background. Yeah, anyway, you'll see. Bit of a chop out here in the open sea. Woo, getting soaked. Look like a drowned rat. Bit of a chop out here. Got a towel around me. Came from over in there. I think it's called Clover Bay. Heading into the Moulbrough South. Go back round into the Peru. Metrics Bay over there. Everywhere we go in the Sounds, there's big logs like this everywhere. So if you ever come in here, beware. Those suckers. These big boats are probably laughing at us. Mussel barge over there. Pulled up to a mussel barge. Might see if we can get a snapper or two maybe. Not what we want. Sharks. Sharks, sharks, sharks. More sharks. Old fisherman Joe, he's found us a school of fish playing around. He's got his lure on. We're gonna go and try and get some more over there. See what we can do. Had enough of a mussel barge, we're only catching sharks in the end, and one snapper. Battling the sea. Down at the back at the very far mountain, but around the corner to the right. It's a big mussel barge there, and Midia Bay is over there. So windy out here, mate. even know where the house is. Thought we'd just pull up at this bay. It's called Nikau Bay. Have a bit of a break. 24 k's in. Rex has got his rod out. Cruising down here. Seen a few fish jumping. Got a lure on just in case, and hello. Rose on, got us a marlin. Oh, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Bring it up. Just turning into the Kenneparoo Sound now. Up in here. Havelock's over there, somewhere down that way. Hopefully our glass is off in here like a lake. Wee campsite. Looks like you can only get here by boat, not by car. I looked on the map. Doesn't look like there's any tracks into here. Nice little spot. It's got a toilet here, up in there. Picnic table, it's even got running water. Nice. Me and Brax was having a rest, but hard on the back out there where the wind is exposed. I don't know if you can see out there, there's white caps. Bit of shelter in here. Just cruising around and I spotted some prints up here on the beach. Looks like a deer's been down here. It's only gone one way though, he must have gone around there on low tide and walked up over there. Here we got your feed, cuz. I hope you're not gonna waste it. If you're gonna waste it, bro, we'll take it. Eat them up, come on. We made it. 3.5 hours later, 47 k's. Here's mine and Rex's snapper we got. A couple of good sized ones. You're only allowed 3 per person down here. We're missing one, but we're sick of losing our lines to sharks, I think. 7 gills. And it's a bit choppy. Just filleted the biggest snapper. Got some salt there drying out. Boiled some salt water because we got no salt. And cooking up the frame. Got some chips on the go soon, some mushrooms and steak. Nice. And just like that, there's no meat left on the frame. Wondered why my granddad always wanted the frames. Then I tried them. Now he's got to miss out. Steak, coleslaw, chips, mushroom sauce and garlic butter. See, this joys of having a little ass boat. Just roll the trailer down, winch it on, and you can push it up anywhere, or take the motor off and drag it anywhere. It's good. Do you like going on the boat? She reckons she wanted to go for a morning cruise on the boat, so just out cruising. Bit of a chop again. Got some rain coming tomorrow and Friday quite badly, so won't be able to. All packed up, ready for the next spot. Been here for 2 or 3 days, and then we're up around the bay where I came from for 4 days I think. So we've been out here for 6 days, no shops, nothing. Going to stay up on the hill at some guy's batch that we met in Twizel for the next few days while it rains. Quick, you're on video, lift it up, de-hook it. Bro's bloody battling sharks down here at the jetty. I caught one, it was a bit smaller though, and spotty and a little blue cod before. These things have got no eyes, I don't think.
No, he's got eyes.